over it.
We're in the estuary where the salt water and the fresh water meet.
An estuary is a place full of animals where they can live and be free and happy.
And it's also where the salt water from the Gulf of Mexico meets the fresh water from our Apalachicola River.
Where the baby animals grow up.
Holy, this is muddy.
I want the plant to be varied about up to here.
So you okay with this? Come on.
Dig the rest of that out.
Okay, hold it over it.
We gotta cover that one up too. So.
How about right here?
The reason why you had to wear boots because your shoes would get all dirty.
Well, what we were doing was we were planting grass so that the grass can provide food for the creatures in the estuary. And we had to dig it down deep because if you don't, then the tide will wash it away.
And we planted these plants to see, like, us come back in 2 years and see if, like, they've died or grown or not.
Make sure you have anything in it. Let's cut this wet.
Right now,
Today we're learning about the Spartina alterniflora.
they were cut up and we put them under two kind of microscopes. One was low and one was high. So we looked under the high one and we saw basically salt crystals, the hairs that go on it.
It's in a saltwater environment, and the salt builds up on the plant and forms little crystals.
Afterwards, on the low one, we didn't see as much, but we saw what you could hear.
We drew like little tubes inside of the, like what it looks like inside of the stem.
It looks like cucumber.
It has its ways of how it can survive.
They need to adapt to the salt.
Yeah, salt water.
And this little tiny stemmy thingy thing, the bobber,
It's growing a new plant.
that's why you don't plant them so close to each other. If you're
Because they're
planting
gonna
them,
spread
because
out
then
and
they'll-
they produce others.
Yeah.
It's all full of life in this estuary that we have. And yeah, it's really important that we plant this cord grass.